Hi everyone, if you find yourself typing specific symbols, currency signs, or long text phrases repeatedly, Excel autocorrect features can save you a massive amount of time. In this quick tutorial, you will learn step by step how to set up a custom text shortcuts like typing USD that instantly converts into a dollar sign as soon as you press enter or space. So first you need to go to the file on the top left corner and click on the more and click on the options. And then you need to click on the proofing and then click on the autocorrect option. In the replace box you need to type your shortcut, for example USD. And in the with box you need to type shift plus F4 to type the dollar signs and click add. And now click OK and click OK. And now type USD into any cell, for example USD, and then hit the space bar. It will automatically convert into dollar signs. And now type USD into any cell to see it automatically convert to dollar sign when you press space bar. Even you type the values, for example 250 and space, type USD and hit space bar. The dollar sign will automatically insert with the value. If you enjoy this quick Excel tip, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more daily Excel hacks.